Overlay on natural nails with EnrichRx. Start by using KUPA's hand sanitizer ARID Blue to cleanse your client's hands and nails. Use the NAILPRO Combo Pusher with Scoop to prep the natural nail by pushing back the cuticle. Use the KP60 handpiece with a fine sanding band at 4,000 to 7,000 RPM to prep the nail. Start from the right side of the nail with the tip of the sanding band to push the cuticle back further. Continue around the nail with the sanding band. Further remove shine from the surface of the nail using the body of the sanding band. Repeat as necessary. Remove the dust from the nail. Use a KUPA DIVINITY shaper file to shape the nail, starting with the lateral sides and moving toward the free edge. Remove the dust from the nail. Cleanse the nails with KUPA Gelfinity Nail Cleansing Solution. Make sure you cleanse the top and underneath the nail. Use KUPA Piece to dehydrate the nail and gently lift out moisture, oil, and contaminants. Apply KUPA Piece sparingly. Apply KUPA Love Acid-Free Primer to ensure maximum adhesion. Apply to the free edge of the nail as well. Apply a thin coat of KUPA Gelfinity Gel Base by rubbing in the gel first, then smoothing it out. Remember to cap the free edge. Cure for 30 seconds in the KUPA NAILPRO Glow Lamp. Start with KUPA EnrichRx Nude Pink. Apply a thin coat of nude pink. To ensure full coverage, use a KUPA Nail Art No. 2 brush to blend the gel tightly along both sides of the nail. Cure for 30 seconds in the KUPA NAILPRO Glow Lamp. Apply another thin coat of nude pink to give it a slip layer. Remember to cap the free edge. Take a medium bead and place it on the spine of the nail. Use the tip of the brush to feather out the gel. Flip the nail for gravity to pull the gel back to the center. Flip the nail back and place it in the NAILPRO Glow Lamp for 60 seconds. Cleanse the nail with KUPA Gelfinity Nail Cleansing Solution. Use a fine or medium grit 3-in-1 bit to refine the cuticle and surface with a speed of 15,000 to 18,000 RPM. Go tight around the cuticle area to clean it. Continue to smooth out the surface of the nail and contour the overall shape. Use a KUPA DIVINITY shaper file, starting with the lateral sides and moving toward the free edge. Cleanse the nail with KUPA Gelfinity Nail Cleansing Solution. Cleanse the top of the nail and underneath it as well. Apply KUPA Gelfinity No Wipe Gel Top Coat. Apply a thin coat of gel top coat. Making sure to cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds in the NAILPRO Glow Lamp. Finish with KUPA Harmony Cuticle Treatment. Apply 1 drop to the surface of the nail and massage it into the cuticle area. Thank you for watching. To learn more about our products, visit KUPAinc.com and follow us on social media.